know, from when me want to see you, me have a bag of story to tell you. So, you know, one shoes Natalie, me say she a breed for the Magam and Anthony.
But isn't that a good thing? You said she's breed? So that means she's like breathing, right? If she wasn't breathing, wouldn't she be dead?
No, not breed as in no, not breed as in she yes, she's still living, but breed it means that she pregnant. It means that yes.
Oh, right. Okay, yeah, carry on.
Anthony woman find out say Maggie are.
Do you think he could make me some?
What?
You said he's given buns, right? That means he must be able to make really good buns. I love eating them, especially with my pasta. Like, oh, they're so nice, especially when they're warm.
No, not Papa Jesus. Not bun where you eat. No, bun as in cheating on her. Yes, in a cheat on her. That's what bun mean, you know. It's him can't bake. Him cheating.
Oh. Okay. Carry on.
So then, all of a sudden, Anthony woman and Natalie and I see him place a shop. See, it was at the top. Alright? It was at the top. So then, Anthony woman go up to Natalie and give her one box.
Then hold up, because then you missed out a part. You didn't say she was delivering anything.
Like, she slapped her, like, she hit her at them sitting. Oh, Lord. You met this story 10 times stressful to tell you.
Oh.
Me and you are friends for over 3 years now. And you mean for tell me, say, you still not understand half the things about me, say? No, man. Me a go on my yard. Sure. Me a forget some more West Indies friend, you know. Sure, man. Sure.